Today we went for the classic day look for Kate Middleton. As she's been seen in public before, she loves to wear a lovely winter coat. Today we went for a nice bright red swing flare coat that's belted in the middle and has military buttons. We've taken the trim idea and we've teamed it up with nice black boots. If Kate was going to a public event or she was going to the day at the races, we could reinvent this style with a fascinator.